How to remove sound from a video on an Android phone. So if you want to remove sound from a video on an Android phone, then first you just need to simply open up your gallery. After opening your gallery, you need to go with your videos, and here you need to select the video in which you are facing the problem or in which you would like to turn off the sound. Now once you've selected the video, you need to go with edit, which is on the bottom left. Once you go with the edit section, here on the bottom middle, you will have sound option. Here on the middle, as you can see, you'll have the sound option. You can tap on sound and the sound will be mute. If you again tap on it, it will be unmuted. So that's how you can mute or unmute the sound. Once you've mute, you need to go with export, which is on the top right, and it will be saved without sound. That's how you can remove sound from a video on an Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.